Hello, good morning. Time now is 7:33. It's warm, yeah, it's getting warmer. It's supposed to be a warm day today. I'm in my shorts, obviously. We're just leaving home and we're going to be doing a drive-by. That was rubbish, wasn't it? Got the camera set up slightly differently today. Not sure how it's going to work because it's on a tripod and it's rubbish. So I might be falling all over the place, who knows. So my endeavouring today, not to do so much drive time, but pickups and collections. That's the plan. That's the plan. So the problem I have is the collections, when you meet people or stuff like that, I don't want to record people because that's not on, because you've got to ask permission. Well, you have, well, yeah, you have. It's courtesy, isn't it? Everything's flying around. So anyway, because the camera's not mounted securely, this is the only drive time you're going to get. I'm going down into Chelmsford, and you know, I might put you on when I get a little bit closer to the location, so I can just have you stuck on the dash. So anyway, coming up to a corner, so let's see how today pans out. Speak to you all later. Hello, here we go. Food warmer. There you go. Wasn't a brilliant shot of getting it in, but in the back we also have, let's get up, dishwasher, big heavy metal drawer system, no, shelving system, big range master cooker, radiator, loads of shite, and a big treadmill. And some, I don't know, all sorts of fire grates and bits and pieces like that. So I just got to cut the lead off of that. We're done. So I'll speak to you all in a bit. Hello, well that's what we got. Better view. And that is what we just picked up. So we'll get that in the back of the van there. Gloves. Could really do with all the plastic. No, these are next to useless. Oh no, 3 are rubbish. 3 are rubbish, 4 are good. They get to stacking. Putting bits in. Oh yeah. Right. See where we've got to go next. I think it could be to the scrapyard. Just get all this lot out because we've filled the van up. See you all later. Hello! You get to see me. So what did it weigh? What did it pay? What did it weigh? It weighed. So all I did was chucked off all my light iron stroke shearing. They just give it one price in there, in my yard. Which is, yeah, it's alright. I'm driving, by the way. Yeah, one price. And so you can just about see me at, oh no, hang on. You know, here we go. And it's 11p a kilo, £1, £110 a tonne. But it does mean I haven't got to separate anything out, and I'm quite happy with that. Bearing in mind that when I went over to the other scrapyard in Totton, they were paying 8.5p a kilo and £1.60 for shearing. You don't get a great deal of shearing. I keep hitting the screen there. There you go, you just about see me head. If I go like that, that's better. That's better. You can see what a fat hairy bastard I really am. Well, less of the fat. I've lost over a stone there. So I've done a morning's work. Well, I've got a few more collections this afternoon. Bloke decided last night, the night before, the bloke decided that he would come to collect our daughter's Fiesta, because we're selling it for scrap, MOT failure. He decided that he couldn't come and collect it the night before because his mother had been taken into hospital. Okay, fair enough. So he arranged to do it last night. And last night he decided that he had to spend some time with his kids and he couldn't afford the 200 quid. Oh. After arranging to come and then not showing. He'd read the messages and then you could see that because they'd had ticks against him, and then he just didn't turn up. It's like, just tell me, will you? If you don't want it, you don't want it. Don't fuck me about it. So anyway, there was another bloke that was keen, so I messaged him back and I said, look, if you want it, it's yours. Got him up the brand. He said, nah, I'll be over. So he's coming at 3 o'clock today, so whether he does or not, who knows, we'll find out later. But I've got about 4 or 5 other people that are all interested in it, so we'll just see what happens. So you are precariously perched. That's better. I'm a kind man. Let this guy out. There you go. So I digress. What does it weigh? What does it pay? It weighed 420 kilograms, and that gave me £46.20. Not bad for half a day's work. So I've got a load more to pick up this afternoon. I've got a couple of cookers, I think, at least one cooker. Some garage openers which are pretty heavy. Motors and aluminium. What's going on with this traffic? And I didn't weigh any of the motors in or any of the cable, just all it was just get the big bulky stuff off. You didn't see me put in a big exercise bike either today. Hang on, lost all my gears. Let's go back to that one. Kids selling shit. I paid them. So scrapping. I was talking to a lad in the yard. He sort of runs the yard, and we were saying, you know, he said, oh, a lot of people are struggling at the moment. He said, apart from you seem to be bringing vanfuls in every day. I said, well, I wouldn't say it's difficult, but it's a lot of trawling around, but it's doable. You know, I'm still making money even though I'm driving about a bit, and I think that's the trick. You never know what else you're going to get, and it makes it all worthwhile. It's like the bloke's coming for this Vice at 11:30 this morning. That's another 15 quid. So it all adds up. You're getting... Oh. Clever. Camera just does not want to sit still. Need to wedge it with something. Maybe if I wedge it with a dirty old glove. That might keep it still. So what else is there going on at the moment? Yeah, scrapping. It's keeping me out of trouble, and I'm making money. I'm turning a profit on it. Not a great profit, but you know, money to pay me way. So yeah, we're happy with the way things are going. It could always be better, obviously, but you got to remember, I'm not doing this for the money. If I was working for the money, I'd be back truck driving again, and I'm not doing that. This way, I'm home during the day as well. Like, I'm going to be home now. I'm going to be home by 11, and I won't be leaving the house until about 3:30, 3:15. So thirsty. Yeah, scary, isn't it? Look at that grey bushy beard. Never used to be grey. That's what truck driving does to you. That's what truck driving does to you. I was clean shaven when I started. So once you've got your licences, which can tot up a little bit, to be honest with you, you've got to have a licence for the environmental waste. I think that was about 150. Nice little Alpine there. 150 quid. Then you've got to have a licence from licences from the councils that you operate. Bournemouth and Bournemouth Christchurch Pool is 400 odd quid. And New Forest is only 150 odd quid. But you know, they all add up. Then you've got to have obviously business insurance on your van. Oh, I can't see nothing here. He's coming round. No indication. Just totally guessing. Go on, my son. Get out of the way. So we've now got an empty van that we're going to fill up again. It will go, oh, 46 quid, that's nothing. Wouldn't get out of bed for that. Oh well, each to their own, aren't they, you know? And like I've said many times, this isn't about, I don't know if you can hear me, this isn't about making money for me. This is about having a lifestyle where I'm at home. And also gets us used to having less income coming in for when we move. Bigger gear, that'll be the better one. Because when we move, I'll be on 0 income. So at least I'm earning a little bit. So all in all, was it the right decision? Well, so far, yeah. Gorgeous Kira's a lot happier because I see a lot more of her. We're both knackered at the end of the day. We're both knackered. I mean, this is tiring for me. This work is tiring, but I'm feeling better. I'm feeling more healthier. The Bear of Burton. Watch out for the Bears of Burton. Watch out for them bears. So anyway, I'm heading home. I'm going to got a few bits of stripping down to do, and then that'll be me done. I can get everything sorted out in the van because that's all over the place. And blue Mustang coming up. Oh, you ain't gonna see her because you're probably looking at my ugly man. Look at that. He's got headphones on. Why would you have headphones on? I want to be listening to that music going, the music of the engine. It's an old Mustang. So anyway, you got the weighed and paid, I told you that. Someone's coming for the car, hopefully at 3 o'clock. And we actually made a bit more money out of it, which is even better. So blessings in disguise. And then someone's coming for the Vice at 11:30, so that'll be good. I've got to be home now. I'm going to have a bit of breakfast and a cup of coffee and chill for half an hour. Actually have a break today. I went straight through yesterday. That's the trouble. You just go from one collection to the next, and then check out to see what other collections I can get in this afternoon. Let's see, where's he going? He was coming right at me. Don't want to be doing that. So yeah, all is good. So I'll speak to you later on.